Who am I? I'm Tina Lindh, and trying to figure out my new role as a coach or like an online course creator. So I've been like over a decade. I worked in real estate industry, worked with business development, and gradually, when I started to realize that I was doing a personal journey, not only in my profession but personal and private, I realized that I have learned a lot through my private life that I could use as a skill. So I'm like middle-aged woman living in Sweden and higher education, was working like corporate and realized that I wanted to do something more, something that was close to heart. And that's when I started to realize that maybe I could package my skills and my knowledge in a way that other people could uh, get help, get guidance through my journey. Before I enrolled on this program, I had no idea about how big this industry was. I just know that I was like working 9 to 5 job, had just recently started my own business, but was trying to figure out how to become clear with my packaging. How do you package a skill? It's not like working a corporate and you know exactly what you're supposed to do because someone is telling you what you're supposed to do. Starting your business, you're like, you are the CEO, but you're doing everything else too. So when I came in and when I enrolled in this course, it was not only about the course, how to create an online course, but it gave me also an understanding on how to actually build the foundation, I need to learn. It's not only about teaching someone, it's about learning how to work with your messaging, your copy, your sale. Suddenly, I realized by enrolling in this course that it was like I'm building so much more than a program. A course. I'm building my whole business. And I know I came into the course with like a mindset from my corporate job that I'm like having a time frame. I'm going to do like from A to Z, and I'm going to do it fast and being productive. But it didn't work like that because there was so much I needed to learn. I had so much mindset work to do. I had so many limiting beliefs that I had to do work with myself. So it's not just about doing the checklist and fill in the sheets. I needed to work with myself. And that was the big work. So the course did more for me than just doing a program and getting help with like step by step doing a program. The way the AA course have helped me is getting structure. I mean, I need structure, and I think it's very valuable for anyone who's having a business to have the structure, to have the process. And it's helped me to understand where I was, where I'm going, and that every milestone is a win. Because if I hadn't the process in front of me, if I didn't have the community and the expertise from people in AA, I wouldn't know where to go and how to go. But now I feel very confident because I know even if it takes a little bit longer time, I know where I'm going. So it's helped me to become confident because of the structure. And I think it would have been taking me a lot longer to figure out how to build my program. How do you start from zero and help people to transform to the end goal I want to? So it's helped me to get clarity and get the structure I need, both for my program but also for my business. The tangible results I've received until now is actually for me it's tangible that I know how to create a course or program, how to start from not knowing anything, how to rely on that you actually can figure it out on the way, because I think that many of us starting here thinks that we need to know everything in the start. But the win for me is that realizing, and that's tangible for me because creating a course is huge. And now feeling like I'm confident because I know that everything is coming on, like on the process. I'm going to figure it out. But I have sold courses or spots to my pop launch. I mean, that is like tangible. That is money in. It took longer time than I was predicting, but it was a lot of my own self work I need to do. So it was not about the course or AA, it was about me. I needed to do the work. And I have found friends, I have received a community. So it's a lot of tangible results I have seen. What I would tell someone who is thinking about AA, actually, I've tried to get other people into AA. I know a lot of people trying to figure it out by themselves and trying to get me to help them. But I'm like, no, you need to get into the course. You need to get into the program because you get so much more than just like getting to know how to structure your program or your course, because you're getting the expertise you need, you're getting the community, and so I would say that anyone who wants to create a quality course or quality program needs to get into this, because I did it. And I'm so glad I invested in myself and in the program, because, like I said, it would take me many years to figure this out. So I bought time. And that is what I would tell anyone else, that if you are like aware of your time and you think that your time is important, then, or you value your time a lot, then you should get into the AA.